Hey, it's Richie from RW Hobbies. Today we have the United 737-900 from Gemini Jets in 1 to 400 scale. This one has the Eco Skies livery. Typical box has some information on the inside flap, the window. So let's open her up. So those who aren't familiar, the Gemini Jets 400 range is a 1 to 400 scale die-cast metal model aircraft. As you can see, it's very small, fits in the palm of my hand. If I put a ruler out here, you can kind of see the size. It's around about 4.5 inches long. These are great collectibles because they don't take much space up. They're very high quality. Also, I know a lot of people create dioramas, and there's some great YouTube videos where people actually create like airport dioramas with real movements with the real aircraft, and it's pretty interesting to watch. So, anyway, so this is the model itself. I say it's super kind of tiny. As I said, die-cast metal. It's the 737-900 with the sharklets, and it is registration November 75432. It's a really nice aircraft. Some nice detail. Has the aerial on top, sorry, the antenna on top, and also the Wi-Fi hub. Now this was just released recently, I believe in September 2016. As I record this video, there is plenty of stock left available. So, yep, come by, check out the website, www.rwhobbies.com.